So I got this new GoPro boom mount. Check it out. Mounting it to my front fork. I don't think I'll clap out a 120 fork on these trails, so let's see what happens, see how it looks. So far so good. A little bit of movement, but nothing too crazy. Definitely, like, if you want to capture a specific shot, slap it on and then maybe take it off, experiencing a little bit of shifting to the left. As far as that fork clapping out, I don't think that's a problem. This thing's pretty thin down here, so